Thursday evening. Dan from DD Speed Shop is supposed to be coming by, and we're gonna start banging out on that T some more tonight. So Dan and I are kind of checking out my T here to see how the lid works. We think we can make it. We'll figure it out as we go. Alright, well I'm here with Dan, and he's going to we're going to try to measure out and see if we can make that lid look similar to the one on my T. And he's not looking very confident that it's going to work.
Just less open space, and I'm good. More metal, less open.
So we got this right. We found out that the T trunk lid is actually flared different angle top to bottom. So
well, this one is.
This one. Well, I'm pretty sure they all are. We'll go with that.
Look at that cookie sheet. Look
at that. One long T trunk lid.
Yeah, it's something already.
Now we mark up for louvers. And then we watched Dan for a long time. Okay, so we're doing this over again. But this is wrong.
Take two, yeah.
So we doodled this out. So I'm going to run Dan through a quick refresher, or actually he's never done it, so I'm going to show him how the louver press works, and I'll give him a hand with that at first, and then we'll sit and watch him suffer as he pounds in probably a couple hundred louvers in this sucker.
Sweet.
So I'm looking over Dan's shoulder there. He's about an eighth of the way through his panel here, louvering the trunk lid that we're going to make for his T.
I did the math on the first one, how long it took me, and it should be like an hour and 10 minutes. Not bad.
Not bad. Could be cross-eyed, but it is what it is.
Yeah. Well, that's cool.
So, you're about 100 or so of these in. How's it feeling?
Sweet. I'm glad I wore my cushion boots. Dr. Scholl's. You really
Just pump.
Bend around this thing.
I'm just waiting. Wait till you do your insert for your roof, because you know you want to make one louvered one now.
No. I think plywood is what I'm doing after doing this.
This cage. Oh, I should move this thing. Anyways. Alright. So Dan's got his million louvers done in there. Now we're gonna run it through the stretcher shrinker and try to shape it to whatever this is here. Seems to be the usual trend around here, watching Dan suffer.
I like it out here. But just so we're clear, I made most of this shaping. Got a quick tutorial, so don't judge me too bad.
It's not bad though, looks pretty good.
I can see.
Need a hammer. Oh, this. I don't know. It looks freaking cool. I don't have the patience to do it on my tee though.
No?
No, I don't think I could tear my tee apart to do it. Yeah, it needs a little more, but that is super cool. Cheese grater business going on there.